Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam game not opening problem on Windows, so let's jump right in. First, click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen, type in Task Manager, and click on the Task Manager app that appears in the search results. This will open up a window where you can see all running processes on your computer. Now look for Steam in the list of running applications, right-click on it, and select End Task. This will completely close Steam and all its background processes, which often resolves conflicts that prevent games from launching. After you end the task, Steam will automatically relaunch. Just wait a few seconds for it to fully load. Once Steam is back up and running, head to the upper left corner and click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up Steam's configuration panel where we can adjust several important settings. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. This section contains cache settings that can interfere with game launches if corrupted. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache and click the Clear Cache button right beside it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, so go ahead and click Confirm. Clearing this cache removes potentially corrupted temporary files that might be blocking your games from starting properly. Next, click on Library in the upper left corner to view all your installed games. Find the game that's not opening, right-click on it and select Properties. This will open a dedicated settings window for that specific game. Look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it off. The Steam overlay can sometimes conflict with certain games and prevent them from launching, so disabling it can resolve compatibility issues. Now, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan your game installation and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Give it a moment to complete the verification process, as this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes depending on the game's size. Another critical step is to update your GPU drivers, since old drivers often prevent games from launching. Head to your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, download the latest drivers for your specific model, and install them. After you've updated your GPU drivers, restart your PC. This ensures all driver changes take effect properly and gives your system a fresh start. If your game still doesn't work after trying all these steps, there's one final solution. Click on Steam in the upper left corner and select Exit to completely close the application. Then right-click on your Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with elevated permissions can resolve issues related to file access restrictions that might be blocking your game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.